Gathered here to discuss the case study topic on transforming speech, a case study on direct and indirect narration. So this direct and indirect speech comes from the reported speech. Reported speech is something like what we are using the words uttered by someone else. So direct speech in the sense we are using the exact words of the speaker. Indirect speech in the sense we are conveying the message was intended by someone else. So to understand this topic, basically we should have some basic knowledge about tenses. So hope you people remember tenses and its forms. So could you say something about the forms of tenses?
Simple present, simple past, simple future.
Present continuous, past continuous.
So future continuous. Similar like we have perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous tense. So tenses is a very basic grammar topic. If you master over the tenses, it will help you to learn all other grammar topics. So could you remember what are all the way we have transformed your sentences in tenses? So in tenses alone we can able to change a single sentence from one form to multiple forms. So the same minor reflection can be done with the voices. So in a voice we have changed a present tense active voice sentence into past tense active voice sentence. So this will be the unique factors differs tense from the voices. So what are all the changes we are going to find with this direct and indirect speech in the sense change of tenses. So change of tenses in the sense exact change. It's not like what we have done with the active and passive voice. If suppose if you are given with that sentence which belongs to present form in this sense, the simple present form can be changed into simple past tense structure. So present continuous can be changed into past continuous structure. Present perfect continuous can be changed into, that is all the present tense can be converted into the past tense and the equivalent set of forms. So in a past tense simple past can be converted into like a past perfect tense, and past continuous can change into past perfect continuous tense. And another thing what we are supposed to focus here is change of time and pronoun. So as you all know that we are sometimes we are using the exact words of the speaker, and sometimes we are saying this what told by them. So we have statement, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory type of sentences in both direct and indirect speech. So for each forms we have separate conjunctions that can be connected with the sentence. So maximum this first one statement can come with says, say, or said and all. So if says comes in the sense we can go with says, that and all. So always remember that the word always reflecting the speaker of a sentence. Instead if you have you and all, it reflect the receiver of the sentence. So based on the person you can use the pronoun structure with the answer. So here we have a sentence, Ramu said to Sita, I like sweets. And also don't forget to use the punctuational marks while writing your answer in a direct speech, because while writing your answer in indirect speech you can remove the quotes first of all. So here we have Ramu, and being it is in a statement part we can go with told, and the conjunction will be that. Here I referring the speaker Ramu, so you can use he. Here the simple present form of your verb like is there, so you can go with liked sweets. So like this you can construct the answer. So every time whenever you are changing your answer from direct speech to indirect speech, you should focus on the whether the given sentence was it in an interrogative or imperative or simple statement kind of a sentence and all. So once you identified those things, and you can just go with the follow-up steps. As I told about change of time, place also. So change of time and place, some here can be changed into there, and now can be changed into then, and today can change into that day, this day, tomorrow, the next day. Like that the transformation can be followed up with this topic. So what is the real time application of this direct and indirect speech? In the sense, role play activities and our normal conversations. So you people try to make a sentence of your own and also change the sentence in indirect speech too. So if you are marketing some product, when you are do some role play activities, you just plan the situation based on these stuff, in the sense it will be very easy. Okay, thank you.